English class.
Oh, same here.
Oh, then let's go to class together.
Sure.
Let's go.
Oh,
By the way, what's your name?
my name is Rani.
Oh, I'm Rahma.
Oh, hi Rahma. Nice to meet
Nice to
you.
meet you.
Where's the classroom?
I don't know. Let's ask here.
Oh, yes, let's go.
Excuse me. Where is Miss Ufa English class?
Oh, you're in the Ulpa classroom?
Oh, yes. Oh, this is the classroom. Oh, are you taking the classroom?
Oh, yes.
Right. Let's together then. So, what's your name? Nivea. Hi, Nivea. I'm Rahma, and this is Rani. Okay.